Pretty excited. Today we're gonna unbox the new BOXO toolkits. BOXO makes these kits actually for racers. They make some really cool off-road stuff as well as a go-kart kit and motocross kit. Yeah, buddy. Ours is in the middle because we're doing a road race kit. They don't have one specific for road racing yet. So we gotta change tires, take off body work, maybe fix a little bit of stuff here and there. Hopefully we won't have to fix anything, but Daytona is a fickle mistress. What a nice little box this is. Got a little passcode here to make sure no one's stealing your tools, which is super nice. You have a little bit of foam here that goes inside the box, and this is just a great size box for going to the races, you know, being able to service your bike and do the things you need to do. So let's get into the first set of tools. This is like Christmas time. So this is the 133 piece metric tool set, which is great for us because the Challenger, the FTR, and the Chief are all metric tools. Look at that. So stoked. Some metric wrenches, screwdriver set, plier set. The fact that they come with this really nice foam insert is just, this is Gucci. This is seriously Gucci. It's got like the red internals and these are nice tools. We're gonna go ahead and jam these in here and see how they fit. Now, I mean, that's professional. You show up to the racetrack with this toolkit, everyone's like, this guy's a professional, he knows what he's doing. Bam, look at that. Pro status. But see, I mean, and that's not bad. You can deal with this at the races. You could carry this from the trailer to the garage. If you know, you can chuck this on a cart and carry it to the pit wall if you need to work on stuff at the pit wall, and it's not gonna break your back. You know, I mean, I could actually carry it, and I'm freaking broken. Woo! Yeah, right? Have you ever seen a toolbox this clean in your life?
Nope.
I mean, come on.
Hey, anybody can be a factory mechanic. Oh yeah.
And that's like everything, dude.
Yeah.
That's everything. This is the master box, 185 pieces. Do your trip how this thing comes. It's pretty sick. Like, look at that.
Oh, you just plastic off, just pop it in.
Yeah, I was thinking like we were gonna have to set these things up and it was gonna take time, but it's just, they're kind of ready to rock. 2 matching toolboxes, look at that. Bam. 133 piece metric kit, 185 piece metric and SAE standard kit. We're going racing.
It's time.
It's time. 2 baggers, 2 FTRs, 1 Indian Chief.
We're gonna need these tools.
We're gonna need these tools. That's for damn sure. That's for damn sure. Hopefully we won't need all of them. Hey, what's up? We're here in Daytona, thrashing away. It's day 1. We're psyched to run these things. Nice little organizational setup right here.